special moment. We miss our Chief Minister on this special occasion because we wanted to launch the ambulances at the hand of the Chief Minister. And this got delayed. Then we said let us go ahead and launch it. I would like to thank MRF for having sponsored these ambulances. Colorcon also has partnered with us in helping us buy our all the important gadgets such as the iStat machine and cartridges which are required for these state-of-art ambulances. Colorcon has partnered with us not only to provide iStat machines for these ambulances, but also we are using some of the machines in the OPD, cardiology, successfully, and in some other departments. MRF has done a great service to the people of the state of Goa by providing this new fleet of 108 ambulances, which are now these new cardiac ambulances, which will be first of its kind in India, which will be a part of the 108 fleet. And also today it is not just flagging of the ambulances, it is also about launching a new program which we are going to launch in phases. That is the STEMI program, which Dr. Guru Prasad will elaborate. पहली की जाता है कि पेशेंट अगर हार्ट अटॅक आयलो ताबडतोब ताका ट्रीटमेंट गावंक जाय आनी आमचे उद्देश कितें आसा की एक 10 लोकेशनान ह्यो एम्ब्युलन्स आसूंक जाय. सध्या आमचे कडेन जे आयज 5 लॉन्च जाल्या तेजेंतले 2 ताबडतोब will be on in action, and others will be in action as soon as the totally about 17 doctors will be attached to these ambulances. So they are coming on 23rd. Minute they come, those ambulances also will be commissioned. And the whole idea is that all of you know, all of us have these emergencies at home. Somebody starts sweating and those symptoms are. The program of STEMI will be elaborated by Dr. Guru Prasad because he along with the cardiology team, they have all helped us, especially he has helped us design this protocol called the STEMI program. STEMI program was basically, we were all, it was like a theory actually going around. He has helped us put it in actual action. And this STEMI program involves training also a lot of doctors, medical officers from the PHCs and CHCs, where in case there is a heart attack patient and he is diagnosed to be a heart attack patient, then immediately this ambulance will pick up that patient and bring that patient to the PHC or CHC, and that CHC, PHC will be equipped where they can thrombolize the patient and increase the window period as far as that patient is concerned, and then bring him to the cardiology center, whether it is Goa Medical College or any other cardiology center. But our target is to build up the strength of Goa Medical College. Today, unfortunately, in many places, there is no facility or good facility for cardiac. Goa Medical College today is the best facility with the committed team. Doctors present here today are Dr. Shirish Porkar, Dr. Guru Prasad, Dr. Manjunath, and many new doctors have also joined to help them strengthen their mission of saving lives. वास्को तुम्ही पळयल्यार इंटरव्हेन्शन करपाक स्कोप ना, थंय कार्डिओलॉजीचूच ना. आनी परिस्थिती तशी जाल्या. मडगांव बी तुम्ही गेल्यार तुमकां खरें बऱ्या तरेचे आरोग्य सेवा काय कार्डियाक इंटरव्हेन्शन जाय तर थंयचे बी कार्डिओलॉजिस्ट गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज जॉइन जाले. So it has become more responsibility on the government to ensure that we have these cardiac ambulances posted in different locations. We are also thinking, after discussing, we will see, because now there is a tremendous vacuum in places like Ponda, tremendous vacuum in places like Vasco, tremendous vacuum in places like Kankon, Kepe. So in case there is a heart attack, is trained to thrombolize the patient and bring him, after stabilizing him, bring him to Goa Medical College for further treatment. And this is the first, this STEMI program with Dr. Guru Prasad will elaborate exactly what is this STEMI program and how it will move forward, which is the first of its kind in association with 108 in the country. And we are really proud. But once again, I would like to go on record that we miss the presence of the Chief Minister, who has been supportive of all our initiatives to take our initiatives forward. And we are here as ministers, not only as ministers, or we are representatives of the people with a mission to save lives of people and responsibility function in a very responsible manner. Not just that we launched our ambulances or doctors are joining Goa Medical College cardiology, but where there is a vacuum, that vacuum also has to be addressed. Some people have come forward saying that take over our cath lab and all. I was just discussing with Dr. Manjunath that day. It is very easy, but government has never actually taken some private cath lab and run. It's become very difficult. But then South Goa has to be addressed. And how we will address South Goa issues? Because then whole South Goa vacuum is right from Kanpur to the whole of South Belt has to be addressed. So we need to address it in a responsible manner. This is just the beginning. And maybe we may even take the cath lab or maybe even contemplate starting a cath lab in the new South Goa District Hospital. My friend Vijay Sardesai has been demanding that we should have a cath lab there, but only after talking to doctors from Goa Medical College, and they are the people who have actually built new standards of cardiology in the state of Goa by providing excellent service to the people. Now with their view, we will decide either to take Apollo's cath lab on lease or to have a separate cath lab, because there is already a new cath lab there in place. So these type of issues are going on in my mind.